Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic video movement on CapCut PC. So at the beginning of the video I'm just going to add in a keyframe here, and then here I'm just going to add another keyframe, and then on this part I'm going to start zooming in on the video. Now you don't have to add a keyframe, it's just going to do it by itself. You can also move the video around and position the object in the middle if it's not in the middle, like so. And then here I'm going to zoom out again by double pressing scale and also double clicking position. It's going to move it back to its first position, and this is what your video should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!